Hello everyone, welcome back to WellPost TV. I'm excited to have you in here. If today is your first time, do not forget to subscribe, share this video with your loved ones, and to our returning subscribers, we love you. Thank you for all your support. In today's video, we are going to be exploring how you can stake on UbitEx exchange platforms. As you all know, UbitEx is registered on over 6 exchanges, and I've had a lot of questions where people want to stake and don't know how. So we're going to be exploring this together. If you know anybody who is interested in adding on their portfolio, please share this video with them and do not go anywhere, as we are going to be going on a fun ride. Come with me. All right. I want to show you how to put in your transferred USDT to start earning on UbitEx platform exchange. Before you can make your money work for you and start making daily profit, you should have the minimum of $100 that is going to be staked, and you should have transferred it from your external source to your UbitEx platform. Okay, if you have questions on how to bring that to UbitEx, I'm more than happy to show you, but right now I want to show you the easy step-by-step to stake your minimum of $100 and start earning daily profit. All right, so you go to asset. Once you click on asset, right here you click on sport. Sport is where your $100 will be sitting, so you want to double check and see that you have that $100 here. What we're gonna be doing is move that $100 USDT from this spot to your N. On N wallet is where you will be able to stake. You can't stake from where it's sitting right now, which is in sport. It has to be on N. In order for us to move it from sport to N, we go to transfer. As soon as you click on transfer, it brings you here, shows you future account to sports account. We want to tap on this round button right here to switch it. We want the sport on top here because we're moving the money from sport to N. And here you tap open, you're going to choose earn here. All right, so now we have the correct wallets in place from sport to earn. After that, you want to double check to make sure the asset name is USDT, and then the quantity you will tap on all. All right, right now I have 0. Once you tap on all, your minimum of 100 will show here. If you are doing 10,000, 5,000, 2,000, they're all going to show here, and you click on confirm. Soon as you click on this confirm, if I try it now, it's not going to go through because I don't have anything. But once you have that minimum 100 USDT, you click on confirm, you see transfer successful. And then you click on the arrow back. At this point, you already move your 100 to your N account. All right, so your 100 USDT will be sitting on your N wallet here. The next thing you want to do is to stake. All right, in order for you to stake and put your money to work, 2 ways. You can start from your home button. Just click on home button. You see all this scrolling here? Those are the options. And from my own experience, I will strongly suggest, in as much as you have the options to stake for 180 days, as you could see, you have option for 3 days, you have option for 90 days, but I would strongly suggest you go for 360 days, which gives you the opportunity to continually be earning profit every day for 360 days. All right, if you stake for 6 months or 3 days, you're still gonna earn for those days that you stake for. But 360 days, this is 1 year without lifting a finger, and you're having a passive income dropping daily. All right, And this, and not also to think that the 360 days is the highest, percentage. All the percentage, daily percentage interest is not the same. Like that 3 days is about 0.2%, which might not make a lot of difference for you. Okay, and the 0.5% is the one for 6 months. But if you do 1 year, you're getting 0.6% daily. So far, that's the maximum you can earn on this direct staking right here. So now that we have chosen the one we want, you click on, you uncheck the auto invest. You can leave it there, depends on your preference. I like unchecking. The reason I uncheck is I want to have access to my fund after the expiration of the duration I choose. Okay, here it's already showing USDT. You want to tap on all. As soon as you tap on all, the 100 will come out here. Minimum 100, sorry. If you have 5,000, all will come out there. And the next thing is stake now. You click on stake now. If I click on stake now, because I don't have anything, say, please enter the staking amount because nothing is. Otherwise, this will just show you stake successful. As soon as you stake successfully, I will show you how to check what you have done to see that it went through and is registered. Click on this back arrow here. If you click on the back arrow, you will go to your asset. Under your asset, you will see orders. Click on this order. As soon as you click on this order, it will show you state, and that's 100 USDT will be here. All right, you can click open like this and see everything. Even here, you still have the option to auto invest, check here or put it off. Okay, but I want to leave mine unchecked. So you're gonna see the details of what you have staked so far, accrue time, expiration time. You see this is 2025. This is what I did yesterday. All right, so now you have confirmed that your staking went successfully. Let me also show you where you're going to be seeing your profit daily. You come back to this asset, you go to earn. Right here, you see the total amount you stake, and then you're going to be getting your profit every day. Give UbitEx maximum 24 hours. So by this time next day, if you are staking in the morning, by your next day, 24 hours, the profit will be dropping right here. Okay, you come here, it will show you yesterday earning, and as you can see here, I have $46 that I'm earning on this particular one account. All right, this is so far what I stake. This is my liquidity. I have 5,460 liquidity as at the time of this recording, and I'm making $46.80 on this account daily, and this is just one of my account. All right, so this is where your profit will be dropping. All right, your profit drops here every day, and when it drops here, guys, that's yours. I will show you on another video where you could take them out when it's time for you to withdraw. All right, so that is it for now. You check here, come here, check every day. Your profit will be dropping, and whatever you put in, just calculate 0.6. Thank you, lovelies, for watching. I hope you found this tutorial on how to stake on UbitEx useful. Kindly like this video, share with your family and friends, and smash the subscribe button. I wish you happy staking, and I hope to see you on my next video. Stay safe, guys.